Welcome back. Hi everyone, and welcome. This is today's makeup look. I think it's super fun, and I was inspired by this photo and, well, two photos I saw on Pinterest. I was looking for some new backgrounds for my phone. I don't know where they came from. Sorry, if I can find it, they will be linked down below. And actually I'll link the link to the Pinterest account, or Pinterest board, whatever it is. It's definitely inspired by the like blues and yellows and stuff with some oranges, and that's what I got today. And then also like the white and everything. I thought it was super fun to do like the cut crease and the opposite cut crease style thing. Yeah. Anyways, I had so much fun creating this look. And if you want to see how I achieved it, please keep watching. So I'm priming my eyelid with a white base, and this is really going to help all the shadows pop. I'm blending that in with a concealer brush. Don't worry about the edges, we're going to go back in later and wipe it up. So taking a small blending brush, I'm taking the latest teal shade in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and stamping that right in the upper part of my crease. The next shade is going to be a bright yellow shade. For that, I'm using the Body Shop Limited Edition yellow shade. Or you can use any yellow, even the ones in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And stamp that right next to it. And then gently blending those two together, only slightly. Don't drag them too far. We only want a small gradient. Now back with the same brush we used the teal with. I'm taking the shade that's actually right below that, going back in with the teal shade now, before we had the turquoise. And this shade is going right above that one and gently blending it. Now I'm taking the same brush that we used for the yellow and taking the pale pastel yellow shade in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and blending out that other yellow shade, the yellow shade we have already on the eyelid. Now we're going to begin to deepen up this crease even more. So now I'm going to take the navy blue shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and going to put that right in the actual crease. Just using a eyeshadow brush for this, because we're going to go back in and blend it soon. I'm taking that blending brush with the same first shade, blending that out. So I don't have another brush that's another eyeshadow brush right now that's clean. I'm actually just going to take a little sponge applicator with the orange shades, the sparkly and the matte, and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and placing that right in the lower part of my crease, same as we did with the blue. And going back in with our blending brush that we used for those, taking the Body Shop yellow shade and blending those together. Now we're going to take our micellar water and a Q-tip, and we're going to clean up the lid. Then taking just a clean cotton pad and cleaning up that very far edge. And now since our lid is clean, we can just go back in and touch up that darker blue shade right along that edge. Get it with the orange. So we're going to reprime with the same white base that we used before. The great thing about this applicator is that it is a doe applicator, so you can get a sharp line all on its own. Now for the lid, we're going to take the shimmering orange shade from the Taking Back to Brazil palette and dot that right on the outer corner. Next we're taking a yellow shade. And then we're going in the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection and taking the white shade VIP. And taking a blending brush, and we're going to blend all those shades together. Taking our micellar water and cleaning up the edge one last time. So I'm going to conceal so then we can start to finish off the side look. So I'm taking a black liquid eyeliner and lining my upper lash line. Next I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette and highlighting my inner corner with the shade Ethereal and Glow, the two latest shades. And dragging the shade Glow slightly underneath my lower lashes. For my lashes, I'm going in with the AOA Beauty Lashes in Alexis. Because I don't have a colored eyeliner, I'm going to take the white eyeliner, put that in my waterline, and then we're going to go right on top of that with a turquoise shadow. For the lower lashes, we're going to repeat what we have going on the lid of the eye. The orange on the outer corner. And go into the yellow, which will fade into that highlight shade we put on the inner corner. Going on with some mascara. My face is on, and all I used was the Amuse Matte Foundation and the Fresh Nude Foundation. You can go back and quite a few other videos, I'll link them down below, that I used that combo together and how I applied it and everything. And then I just set it all with the AOA Perfect Setting Powder. It's just a color. So I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm just using the Amuse Amuse Brow Powder. And then just filling in the kind of sparse areas. And just using the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow Gel. And to actually finish off my lower lash line, the same way we did on this one, I'm going to take the orange shade on the outer corner. I'm still using this little spongy thing because I think it's working great. Place that on the outer corner and doing the same on the other side just to intensify it. And going in with a yellow shade. This is the Body Shop one. Blending brush we used in the light yellow shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Now we're just going to intensify our inner corner just a little bit more and just taking the same two shades we used and dotting them on. Topping up the lower lash mascara. To finish out the face, for my bronzer, I'm going to use a bronzer shade from the Dare to Create palette and just using that on my outer corner. My temples and outer face area. Next for blush, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Professional Blush Palette. I'm taking the bright turquoise shade. Oh my god, the bright coral shade in the center of the palette. I'm using that on the apples of my cheeks. And for highlight, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Shadow in Electric Slide. Not sure if they still carry this. I'm using this one because it has like really nice gold reflex in it. For the last little bit of this look, I'm actually just taking a matte liquid lip and then putting that in the center of my lips. I'm blending it out into an ombre. And take just a little bit of your foundation that you have to help blend that out as well. And on top of that, I'm taking AOA Lipgloss in the shade Glitz. Super fun. So, this is the final look. Thank everyone so much for watching. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I think it's super fun and summery and everything like that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to leave me a comment down below about anything, let's have a chat. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see any more makeup looks or life stuff and things I choose to do. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!